Welcome back to more Pokemon Crystal Clear version, part 4. And today, I'll be battling the first gym. As you can know, we have Gina the Caterpie helping us out. Last time we completed Sprout Tower and these two trainers and took it on Falkener, but lost. So he has to now to a level 8 and Murkrow level 7. And I don't know what his last one is. So, hopefully, whatever it is, we can absolutely defeat it. So they have Swift Dive. So I'm gonna go straight into Gina. So I can at least heal him up. Ooh, Gina. That's actually a cool sprite of Caterpie right there. Better than red and blue and yellows. That has Swift Dive too? Wow. Okay, Batman. Oh, I can use Bite. 13 for Batman. Far-fetched. Meal 9. No, I think I might keep this. I want Yoshi to gain up a... Oh, least the level. So Yoshi also the team defeated falkener. Don't make dad's cheers Pokemon. So we did a Sipper badge. Cypher badge, 900 for winning. So raises the attack power. So now we can use Flash. So we got TM31. And Swift Dive. Could only use once. Only learn once. So Batman can learn Swift Dive. So I'm actually gonna teach that to Batman. We just taught it, didn't it go away? Oh, maybe it's... Bell can learn Flash, so I'm actually gonna teach Bell that. So let's go... Professor Allen. What is it, Professor Allen? So something about the egg. So he's the assistant at the Pokemon Center. So let's heal up our Pokemon first. And talk to this man right here. Egg. So it might be close to a Hairgym. So it looks like the darkest egg right there. So it could be potentially a dark type Pokemon. But let's keep moving. I'm gonna actually put up Yoshi up in front. So I think the next gym is gotta be like either water or grass. Or maybe fire. I want these gyms to be different than what I remember. So we got a Miracle Seed. So Looper. I'm actually put Fine up in front here. Not super effective. I want these trainers to have different Pokemons instead of having like the same ones during your adventure that you used to play. Back when you were a child, or just playing it for the first time now. And I gotta find a third team member. So I can't be having, Super and Bulbasaur forever. So. Ooh, Pokeball here. Repel. Not gonna use you though. Till later. Oh, yeah. I'm actually gonna probably try to train for this episode and see how far I can get with training. I do want our little Bulbasaur to evolve pretty soon. Yeah. 14. Let's put here too. With the trainers that are left here, I'm gonna come back and revive them. Oh, Hoshi. So I'm gonna try to see if Yoshi can evolve in this episode, but if not, probably furthermore in the next episode. Oh, Chinchou. But Splash. But since Bulbasaur is probably really strong against these water guys, I'll probably gain up a lot of levels. I'm gonna Magikarps. Are you gonna send in the Gyarados? Come on, man. 24? How did you get a level 24 Magikarp? It's like 10 levels higher than... Go ahead. Excuse me. Poison powder. First poison move. I'm actually gonna forget that for Galo. Like higher than Yoshi and all my other Pokemon. Sleep powder. Oh no, thank you. Magikarp. Let's just gonna be like 40. 20. Out of... Anyway. It's like a aging thing. Like, really, you're gonna have like level 25 Magikarp, like 24 Magikarp, and then what? And then next thing is like a level 40. Like, what are you gonna do with a level 40? Oh, Mom's calling us. Okay, I'm gonna skip that guy. I'm actually gonna come back to watch these trainers probably in the next episode, but I'm just gonna be looking around any items and any trainers. I will probably do it off screen, and but I mean these levels right here, I can tell that it's just gonna be is just the start to a real tough. I'm kneeling for a slowpoke tail, bitch. Like a real tough offenser. Great ball. So make sure you put that up there. I mean, luckily I didn't lose like my two strongest ones. So I'm gonna actually switch up here. That one last fishing guy is gonna be our last trainer. So he knows this we beating Falkener. Why weren't you there though? Oh, Pidgey. Like, you could have like been there too and helped him, but he didn't. No duo. How do these guys get their duos? Oh yeah, off screen, I forgot to tell you guys, but off screen, while I was training, I finally found a Pidgey. But I didn't catch it though, because, oh, here's a Spearow, but I didn't catch it because I already have Batman, and I don't want to give Batman up. But Batman, he does evolve into Crobat in this game. In Gen 2 he does. But I don't know about this game here. And it's okay if he doesn't, but Crobat, I probably do need a Super Bell. And it did work for me, you know, while I was playing like Heart Gold Soul Silver by myself. So, if you guys know what the Super Bell is, let me know in the comment section down below. If it's like, you know, I want it before the 4th badge though. Like Fortune. So Ralph. Golden. 10. So Peck, how you're a water type though, how can you learn Peck? Remoraid. You know, I always thought Remoraid was a Gen 4 Pokemon, but I guess it's Gen 2. You know, let me know what you guys think, because, you know, when I found out about it, I was kind of like kind of thinking, why is it Gen 2, not Gen 4? But Yoshi's on 16. And it usually falls at 16. I hope the starters don't fall like 20s. Because that's gonna be like really sucky, you know? But I am actually gonna end out the video off right here. And I'm actually gonna find some items and some trainers to battle that I didn't get to do. And tomorrow, I'm probably gonna upload, you know, a video, maybe 3 to 4 videos tomorrow. It all depends on my schedule, because I am gonna be busy tomorrow. I don't know for sure because of the weather, but, I'll let you guys know when my first video starts tomorrow. It could be anytime, but as right now, I'm probably gonna be doing videos at 4:30 Eastern Standard Time, 6:30. So, yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video today. Please like, comment, subscribe. Please share with everybody, and to see you guys in the next Let's Play Pokemon Crystal Clear version. Bye.